Hey 3D artist! In this video tutorial, I will show you the smooth workflow of both NAG ALL software and Project Manager plugin for 3ds Max. Let's organize 100 files from Dimensiva. The library is composed of uncompressed and compressed files beside their related preview image. The mission is to organize all these files in the form of 3ds Max files side by side with preview image. Let's open up NAG ALL and kickstart. First, let's browse to find our 3D library path. In NAG ALL version 2.2, you are able to create or not to create sources, extensions, and trash folders. Also, you are able to choose between 3 main ways to collect the maps. For this tutorial, we will use option 1 for maps creation. This option is suitable in our case, as Dimensiva library provides unique names for its textures. Let's hit start and enjoy having some coffee. Great, the 3D library organization is finished in very few seconds. Let's check the 4 folders' contents. Now, it's the time to open 3ds Max and run KStudio Project Manager plugin to link our 3D library. You need to just select Add Folder Choice and find the path of your 3D library. The power of NAG ALL is heavily shown here. The preview images are attached automatically to 3ds Max files. There is no need to search for preview images by auto-assign tool. Also, NAG ALL keeps the information of the used render engine and its version in the renamed 3ds Max file. So, you can filter your library based on the needed render engine for your project. Now, let's drag and drop any of the library 3D models into 3ds Max canvas. To link our textures folder, you just need to select the AS Tracking tab and from search directories to find the textures folder path created by NAG ALL. That's all for today. Let's hit render and watch the final result. Buy your copy now from our website, attached to the video description. See you in the next tutorial. NAG All, keep organized all the time.